Sherrod, I've had either a HELOC or a revolving line of credit. Basically those are a little different, but there's the same thing at the end of the day.
Yeah.
For about 6 years now, maybe even 7 years at this point. My current rate is 9.25.
Same
Nine
here, I
and
have
a
a line of
quarter on my
credit.
HELOC. Now I'm used to 4.5, maybe 5%. It's going to be higher than, your typical loan because there's a little bit more risk. It's a second mortgage. Prime, as we mentioned back in July, they upped it to 8.5, and I don't believe that they've changed it since the 27th of July, but we're probably going to be looking at another raise, one of these things where they tack on another, in this case, 75 basis points on top of prime. I'm paying 9.25 right now, and that I have utilized on this HELOC. But here's the thing, at the end of the day, that's still cheaper than a private or a hard money lender. I never would have thought in my wildest dreams 4 or 5 years ago, if I was to say, hey, what do you think that this is going to get to at some point? I would have maybe been like, I don't know, 7.5.
Right.
I would have never thought 9.25, man.
9, yeah.